All right, friends, let's continue to read together. Follow along. Remember, we're asking questions about a story, reading words from top to bottom and left to right, and recognizing and reading sight words that we know. Here we go. The water rose up higher and higher, but not quite high enough for him to take a drink. So the bird took some more pebbles in his beak and plopped them into the pitcher. Plink, plink, plink. The water rose up higher and higher, now high enough for him to take a drink. Ah, said the bird, slurp, gurgle, gulp. Then he went flying from tree to tree to tree, taking in the sights and sounds and smells of spring. I hope you enjoyed reading this shared reading with me. Go ahead and listen again if you'd like to.